Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 21st of July 2025. Starting with Forex Factory, there's no heavy impact news in US dollar or even low impact. And if you trade on JPY pairs, there's a bank holiday in Japan. Now going on to the chart, starting with monthly, previous couple of months, we are double doji, and now this month we have almost a week and the month just over a week, and the movement, the market, we don't have any clear indication which way it will move. And going to the weekly, and we don't even have a clear indication. Same in daily, there's no clear indication, and in fact you can see this pattern, which is kind of a triangle pattern, and it's consolidation, and the market is keep consolidating. So what does that mean? The market may break on one side, and then we possibly can see a huge move. Okay, that is the daily chart, and going on to 4 hours. See what's happening. For 4 hours, we have this bearish structure previously. This is a big liquidity sweep, and now from this level, 4 hour is becoming bullish, and this area, the structure level was broken. And now I'm expecting to move, prices come down a bit and then move to the upside. So then up to this level, and it's kind of order block as well. Then we'll move, I'll see the prices move to the forward, to the upside. So let's make this area here, and currently there's a fair value gap here as well. So market may move to the upside a little bit before it comes to the downside. So which it has in fact already tested this area, but let me go on down a bit. So I'm expecting the market to test this area before market move to the upside, and this is 1 hour. And then this is the first level, and then we have further levels. Yeah. So if I draw the levels, so this is the current scenario of the gold, because there is a fair value gap here as well, as you can see. So 33.40, around 33.40 is the good area to buy, and the target would be 33.65. And in fact, a little bit up to the upside, where there's a fair value gap here as well. But there's a big wick, and we can possibly see the wick fill as well. And now I just remove this, and we can see in smaller time frame what's happening. In 15 minutes, we can see this breakout structure here. So that can be another area. It's the same area, around 33.40, which I mentioned earlier on. And then we had this area as well, a possible rejection. However, if this is broken, then we'll look for sell trades to the downside. And as you can see in 15 minutes, we have huge move to the upside. But it hasn't been quite tested this level. It just moved from there, and in fact, testing this level. So it's possible this liquidity sweep and then buy. Or if it comes deeper, then the double bottom here and then from here buy. However, if it's broken, then we possibly see move to the downside. So this is the core analysis for Monday. I hope this is helpful. And thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.